What's up, everyone? So today it's Baggett Out and Savatgy In. But before we get to that, I think only like 22% of you people, you beautiful, beautiful people watching this video are subscribed. So why not click that subscribe button, click the like little thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, and let's get back to the show. So obviously Blake Baggett, who's been riding for Rocky Mountain KTM for, geez, who knows, probably the last couple years now. Well, apparently he lost his ride to Bogle's. Still going to be on RC Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain KTM, whatever, the satellite factory supported whatever they are ride. Who knows? I mean, Blake Baggett, he's always been a consistent person, top 5s, top 10s. Like, has he been super fast? No, but he's always up there. He's always getting hole shots, and pretty cool, pretty good for him. I mean, well, not those were good, but now it's not, because Savatgy took his ride. Savatgy, after losing his KTM ride, losing his Kawasaki ride and going to JGR Suzuki and getting hurt, and then coming back at the end of the season, I guess he made enough of a showing that they said, sure, we'll give you a chance. And now it's gonna be Savatgy and Bogle instead of Baggett and Bogle. So who knows? I mean, hey, that's pretty cool for Savatgy. He's getting another lifeline, big support deal, like on arguably the best bike right now, the KTM, which is just, the most consistent and probably the best backed at the moment. But it sucks for Baggett. I mean, he's got to now try and find a ride for the season that starts in 3 or 4 months, with most teams already being full. Like, unless he gets a sort of supported ride from Kawasaki or maybe Moto Concept Honda or something like that. But who knows? Tell me what you think. Do you think it was a good move? Do you think Savatgy deserved it over Baggett? Do you think he's faster and that's why? Or do you think they're worried about Baggett being older? And who knows? Leave a comment down below. And yeah, see you later. Peace.